Welcome to another exciting episode of Be Our Guest. Today, we journey to Erzurum, a breathtaking winter wonderland nestled in the heart of Türkiye. Hey guys, give us a shout.
Hello everyone, we are at Erzurum Palandöken.
Trendsetter Veronica. Style Maven Zornitsa. And lifestyle explorer Andrea. Not a moment to spare. Let's slide into the magic of Mount Palandöken, the host of the 2011 Winter Universiade.
Palandöken has one of the longest tracks in the world, and there's so many different peaks that you can choose depending on your level.
Our guests hit the snowy slopes of Palandöken Ski Center, literally.
Okay, when you don't know how to do something, you make your own way. Yay!
Be careful when going up. And through the crisp mountain air, our guests navigate the slopes, not with so much grace, but definitely having fun. Palandöken is huge. It is the longest ski center in Türkiye with 56 tracks. But it's not about skill here. It's about the sheer thrill of being surrounded by nature's splendor and the warmth of friendship.
We just arrived to our next location, and today we will try ice climbing, and we will get to their location by mobile snow. So girls, did you ever try any of it?
No, and I'm super excited to try it.
You want to try it?
Yes.
Did you try it?
100%.
No. Are you scared? A little bit.
Same.
But we will try it. Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Break a leg.
Hang on tight, girls.
Currently we are at location. As you can see behind us, if you want to try ice climbing, this is the best place for it.
This ice is 25 meters tall and 150 meters long.
It is actually artificially made, and it takes like 2 months to create all of this. And you need special equipment, of course, if you want to climb, but you don't need to worry, because they're gonna give you everything you need.
There are professionals who will help you with it, so you can enjoy while you are trying this ice climbing.
And don't be scared like us.
That's the best advice, I think.
Promise, next time we will try it.
While our guests chose not to seize this opportunity, there is so much you can experience in Erzurum. Let's take some photos and enjoy the fresh atmosphere as our guests engage in a cheerful dance, bringing warmth and laughter to the frosty landscape of Erzurum. On their second day, our guests visit the mysterious Üç Kümbetler.
Where are we at the moment?
We are in the city center of Erzurum, and this place is called Üç Kümbetler. They started building it in the 12th century.
An intriguing cluster of medieval tombs shrouded in legend, these ancient structures offer a moment of contemplation. The next stop is the iconic Twin Minaret Madrasa, where majestic architecture meets scholarly legacy, standing as a testament to the region's historical depth.
We are at Twin Minaret Madrasa. The place is currently a museum, so you can come and visit if you want to.
meander through the historic Rüstem Pasha Bedestani, a bustling bazaar brimming with local crafts, vibrant jewelry, and unique souvenirs.
They say jewelry is the best woman friend, and I agree with it. I think it's so pretty and everything is so beautifully crafted. I want to buy something. I like everything here.
Erzurum. We are at the restaurant.
Our guests indulge in the culinary delight of Cağ Kebap, a traditional skewered meat that's a speciality of Erzurum.
Very hungry and it smells pretty good. Kebab? Cağ Kebab. You can eat as much as you can, and when you finish your portion, you'll bring more. So we will see who will win this.
After a delightful feast, they enjoy Erzurum's signature desserts.
No, I want to try just a little bit. It's really good, but really
Try this.
sweet.
Try this.
And this is how our journey through the enchanting landscapes of Palandöken and Erzurum has ended. We hope you enjoyed the experience as much as our guests did. Come to Türkiye and be our guest. See you in the next episode as our new guests discover Türkiye's unique experiences.